Did you get it?
It's near the top of the glass. Hit it, it's up there.
Just get the door.
Look, it's right up there, right above the door. You see that? No, to the left. Left. There, hit that.
You gotta push it forward and then
How
do
are you
it.
so slow? You don't know what to do.
Did you get it yet? Are you really having trouble just holding the door open?
Will you fix it?
Alright, that's another one.
I punched it all the ways it could be punched.
Alright, well, first thing you do is move the cards.
I know they're down there.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Did you get it yet? Don't break our broom. You could shove the broom up into the door handle and that'll hold it open. Oh my god.
Okay.
Not like that.
I fixed it, it's okay.
That's not really...
We're gonna break the broom.
How are you supposed to sweep if the broom's on the door?
That's how you do it. Retarded. Door's been broken for a while.
You bust up the cone.